Today, I'm excited to share some life-changing anti-aging secrets that will help you stay young at any age. From powerful superfoods you already have in your kitchen to simple habits that reverse aging, these tips are absolute game changers. Stick around because the last tip is mind-blowing. 1. Coconut oil, the secret to longevity, eating coconut at every meal. Coconut oil, packed with medium-chain fatty acids like lauric acid, is easily absorbed by the body and offers numerous health benefits. It supports immune function, combats infections, and contains antioxidants like vitamin E, which reduce oxidative stress linked to aging. Plus, it's amazing for your skin and brain health. 2. Castor oil, nature's deep healer. Castor oil isn't just for digestion, it's a miracle worker when applied externally. It penetrates deep into tissues, breaking up lumps, bumps, and even tumors. I've seen firsthand how it shrinks breast lumps, helps with fibroids, and alleviates constipation. It's also rich in ricinoleic acid, which fights free radicals and inflammation, key factors in aging and disease. 3. Ginger, the joint pain reliever. Ginger is not only great for digestion and nausea, it's also packed with antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, a major cause of aging. Apply a ginger poultice to sore joints or arthritic areas to draw out inflammation and improve circulation. Better blood flow means healthier, more youthful skin. 4. Cayenne pepper boosts circulation in youth. Cayenne pepper, rich in capsaicin, is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It boosts circulation, helping to deliver oxygen and nutrients to your skin and other organs, keeping you youthful. Plus, it can thin the blood naturally, reduce inflammation, and even support heart health. Start with just a quarter teaspoon in water and work your way up. 5. Exercise, the ultimate youth elixir. Muscle knows no age. Whether you're 9 or 90, regular exercise is crucial. A quick 15-minute high-intensity interval training, HIIT session each day can release human growth hormone, HGH, which is vital for youthful skin and strong muscles. Daily exercise not only helps you look good, but also keeps you healthy and energized. Conclusion: incorporating these natural remedies and lifestyle changes into your daily routine can make a huge difference in how you age. Remember, staying young isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling great and living a long, healthy life. So, give these tips a try, and don't forget to share this video with friends and family who want to unlock the secrets to staying young.